HCTI Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at healthcare triangle stock, 36% down for the days we were at. Yeah, it's absolutely crazy. Now, context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors called thousands of quick predictions up on my YouTube channel for free. Specifically looking at HCTI. It just keeps melting, man. It just keeps melting. Honestly, I'm still not a big fan of HCTI. I mean, I think I was quite open in the previous prediction for potential buys, right? But like, it never showed me the signs that this wants to go up, and I abandoned the ticker and just never looked at it again. So we're coming down from this supply for right around 72 cents. I'm only going to begin being bullish the moment I start seeing the price breaking above 72 cents. And if it does not, well, cool, you know, I guess I'm not going to be bullish. So stay tuned. For me, I'm still potentially looking to take this thing lower. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.